Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So today I'm going to show you how can we predict the next candlestick by analyzing the market. So let me draw the line here. So now you can see I can expect here a buyer's entry from this zone. Why? Because you can see here this is a level and this candle crossed a trend line, so therefore I can expect here a buyer's entry, and now you can see from this zone I am seeing here a buyer's entry, so therefore I took my trade in an up direction. So let's see what happens here. Okay, I will win my trade because of my entry point. My entry point is very good, so let's see what happens here. Okay, buyers are entering into the market because of the breakout and because of the level. So now you can see I won my first trade. So this was my first trade. So let's analyze another market. Okay, so now if I analyze the market here, you can see this is the level. Okay, so I can go here with the buyers. I took my trade in another direction, and you will see I will definitely win this trade also, because if I check the levels, there is no seller's entry. Sellers entered from this zone, so this is the next level. Okay, so therefore I took my trade because of this continuation sign. So now you can see market is going and closing exactly at the seller's area, and it is moving in an upward direction. So now you can see I got a rejection from the resistance line. So this was my second trade. Okay, let's analyze the market here. Okay, candle closed here. A bit confusion here for me. Okay, from this zone. Okay, I can go here with the buyers. I took my trade in an up direction, and now let's see what happens here. Okay, so let's see what happens here. Okay, this is the buyer's area, okay, so if I analyze this market, now you can see this was the level. So now I can go here with the buyers. So now I will definitely recover my loss here. Why? Because you can see here from this point I'm seeing here a buyer's entry, candle close exactly at the level, so I can recover my loss here. So this candle will definitely go up and will close above my entry point. So let's see what happens here. Okay, market is going up. Okay, a good entry point for me. So let's analyze another market. Okay, so now if I analyze the market here, what I'm seeing here a level. Okay, so this is the level. Okay, now you can see I won my trade. So now can I go here with the buyers or sellers? I can go here with the buyers. I took my trade in an up direction, because if I analyze the market here, market closed here, this candle is a strong candle in an uptrend engulfing candlestick, and the next level is here. So because of this level, the next market is going up. So now you can see I will definitely win my trade here. Okay, well, let's wait and hope for the best. So I'm seeing here a level, I'm seeing here a rejection, so my entry point is good. So let's see, for me the candle has to close above our entry point. Market will again go up. Okay, it has to go up, yes. Okay, so I won my trade here. So now you can see here I took my trade here in an upwards direction. Why? If you analyze the market here, let me show you here. Okay, so if you analyze this market here, now you can see this was a buyer's area. So again I am seeing here a buyer's entry point. So this candle broke this trend line, so therefore I took my trade for the retracement candlestick, and I took my trade exactly at the strong buyer's area. So therefore I won my trade. And now you can see from this point buyers entered again. So this was a level, this was a strong SNR, so therefore I took my trade and I won. So if I want to show you clearly, now you can see candle closed here, and now you can see this whole area is a strong SNR. Why? This is the resistance, this is the support, and I took my trade here with the green candle and I won my trade here. So this was my first trade. So let me show you here my other trade. Okay, so now you can see here, let me show you here why I took my trade here. So if you analyze the market from this point, I'm seeing here a strong seller's entry. Again, this is the seller's entry point. So your next level was here, your next level was here, or your next level was this horizontal line which I have drawn here. So this candle was a weak candle, and you can see market is making higher highs, so therefore market went up. So this was a trend movement, and this candle was a weak candle, so therefore I took my trade with the margin of safety in an upwards direction, and now you can see I won my trade here. Okay, so let me analyze my okay, so here I took my trade in a down in a up direction, and I lost one trade here with this candlestick. So with this candlestick I lost one trade. Why? Because it is very much visible. I have drawn the line, but I don't know why I took my trade in a down direction, in an up direction from this point. So that was wrong, so therefore I lost my trade because of my mistake. This was totally my mistake in this zone. So now what I did here, let me show you clearly. Okay, so in this zone you can see here, this is the buyer's entry point. So market closed exactly at the level, so I took my trade with this reversal candlestick, and now you can see I recovered my loss and I also won my trade here. So this was a trend line, and now you can see here market was totally moving in this range. Market was moving in an uptrend, and this was the level. Now you can see this was the level, so therefore I went with the trend line. I am not using here any kind of horizontal line, and if I want to use here a horizontal line, you can see again here this is a level. From this point you can see a buyer's entry, so it is another confirmation to go with the buyers. So in this zone I have one confirmation, then I have two confirmations to go with the buyers, and I won my trade here. So let me show you my last trade. Okay, so I took my trade here. I took my trade here in an up direction. Why? So if you analyze this market here, what I am seeing here, let me show you. If you analyze here, now you can see from the seller's entry point, this is the seller's entry point. I am not seeing a seller's continuation sign. I am seeing here a buyer's entry. What does it mean? It means that market is reversing in the middle of the trend, and this level is not a strong level now, so therefore market went up, and now you can see I got a long leg doji candlestick, so therefore I won my trade. So this is how we can take trades easily. So trading is not that much difficult. We make it difficult by analyzing the market wrongly. So always try to check the levels, always try to see the market movement. If your trend is moving like this, try to take your trades in an up direction. If your movement is like this is a ranging market, try to take your trades according to the situation with horizontal lines. And if you want to take your trade in a down direction, then try to take your trades in a downwards direction. So in this way you can easily see that we have 1, 2, 3 types of market totally. So always try to take the trade in that trendy market, and if you want to take your trade on ranging, so no issues, you can easily take your trades. So I want to tell you here, if the candles are having big rejections, so it means that market is not stable, so there is no need to take your trades. So let me show you here. If I find a situation, so you can see here in this zone there are big wicks. You can see these are the big wicks. So in this kind of situation, try to avoid your trading, don't take your trades, it will give you a loss. So let me show you. Now you can see I'm talking about this kind of market. If you see this kind of market, then don't try to take your trade. This is a dangerous market. So because of the wicks, you cannot analyze the market properly. Now you can see here, this is kind of unpredictable market. You can see, let me show you here, you can see here very big wick, big rejections from both sides, big wicks, big wick. So what does it mean? It means that you are not sure to take your trade whether in an up direction or lower. Now you can see candle close exactly at the level. Let me show you here one thing. What is the dangerous sign for the big wicks? So now you can see from this point you can easily see a buyer's entry, a buyer's move. But what happened? You can see this candle will not respect this level. Market again went down. Again these kind of candles, again market went up. So this is unpredictable market. So try to avoid these kind of markets, and always try to take your trades just like I took my trades in these situations. Now you can see I took my trade according to the market situation. So therefore I won each and every trade except one trade, and that was 100% my mistake. I have drawn already the level. You can see a reversal from this zone and market went down, and I took my trade in an up direction. That was a biggest mistake of this session. So try to analyze the market like this and take your trades. If you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. Stay blessed you all, and try to take your trades like this. You can see a buyer's move, you can see a buyer's move, you can see a buyer move, you can see a buyer's move. So therefore you can easily predict the next candlestick. So if you like my video, again kindly share, subscribe and comment, and stay blessed you all. And if you have any kind of query, you can ask me on my Telegram, and you can join our channel Trading Skills, so you can share your thoughts in that group. So stay blessed. Bye for now. See ya.